Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club, and Bitcoin has been due for a big move or breakout for a while now after being trapped in a trading range of 8,500 to about 7,850 since the end of September. And I fully expected the move to be to the downside as pressure is mounting from the 50-day, which I have noted here in the blue, and the 200-day moving average. As I mentioned last week, I thought they're getting closer and colliding for a potential death cross, and we'd been waiting on a new red monthly trade triangle to trigger at 7,714.70, which we got today as Bitcoin moved below that level, triggering it on the chart, pushing the chart analysis score to negative 90. So a move lower could be coming as we look for levels of support, which right now it seems to be that it's June, which will open the chart back up here. As you can see, back here in June, we're about the 74.30 level where Bitcoin's kind of sitting across that pressure now. But we got to keep an eye on the 50-day and 200-day moving average, because if we get that death cross, we could be in for a significant move lower. And we'll kind of clean the chart up here and back it out. As you can see, the last time we had that cross was back here in April of 2018. And when we had that move down, it stayed below and it gave Bitcoin all the way down to about the 3,100 level before it started to climb back higher. So it's definitely something we want to keep an eye on moving forward. Right now, key level to watch for a move back higher will be 8,820. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position. We'll back this chart back in here, put our candlesticks back on, and we'll move back and we'll just kind of take a look at where the rest of the markets stand today. Currently up green across the board with the S&P 500 with the chart analysis score plus 100, trading at 2,998.81. And our key level to watch will be 2,855.94. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Dollar index kind of stabilizing itself around this $97 level after a big move lower and after issuing that red weekly trade triangle, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 55, indicating that we are in a true sidelines position for the US dollar, with our key level to watch remaining 99.66. We need to get above that level to issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. Dow Jones currently trading at 26,802.74, relatively unchanged on the day, with a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that overall we are in a long-term position for the Dow. Key level to watch remains 25,743.46. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow. NASDAQ currently trading at 8,105.62 with a chart analysis score of plus 100, indicating that overall we're in a long-term uptrend. Key level to watch remains 7,700. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the NASDAQ. Gold kind of flattening out right around this 1,490 level, currently trading at 1,495.90. with a chart analysis score of plus 55, issuing a green daily trade triangle today at 1496, indicating that we are in a true sidelines position across the board for gold. Key level to watch would be 1,484. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short trend for gold. And we'll wrap it up with crude oil having a good day, up 2.2% on the day. However, chart analysis score still remains negative 55 with a red monthly and red weekly trade triangle in play. Key level to watch will be 53.46. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long-term downtrend for crude oil. With that, have a great day. I'll be back at the end of the week to give you some market updates.